biggest fear that I had, and I am overcoming it by what? By doing this video. For all of you guys that are watching me, feel comfortable, feel free. I have been there where I don't really like to speak in cameras, speak in public, and it's not that I don't have the personality, it's just something inside of me that just like paralyzes me. It's like, oh my god, I forgot everything I had to say. Does that happen to you? To me, I feel like in front of me there's probably like 100,000 people watching me. I don't like see what I'm doing right now. I don't like it. But in order for you to step into another level, you have to do what you don't like. I'm doing something I never thought I was gonna do before. Like, 5 tips to overcome public speaking. Tip number 1, listen, start small. I decided I want to do a YouTube channel because I figure, wait a minute, I'm going to be speaking to many people in this platform. So I said, why not? Why not start a YouTube channel? And so here it is. Make sure you subscribe if you haven't subscribed yet. If you don't want to do a YouTube channel, you could start doing lives in Instagram. You know, let's use the tools that is being given to us for free. You could do Instagram. You could actually get a mirror, you know, and practice, you know, look at yourself. I don't know, that's something sometimes that I do. And I'm like, oh my god, like how can I mess up and I'm talking to myself like, hello, I'm actually hilarious. Don't you think? Second tip I want to give you, eliminate any fear of rejection out of your mind. Okay, because see what that does is it just sets you back. You know, that's what it does. So you don't want to feel fear when you are actually speaking. What I do, I tell myself, I tell myself, like, nobody hears this, but I'm telling myself, it's okay, you got this. It's okay, you got this. It's okay, you got this. So talk to yourself. Like if you're actually in the middle of talking, just talk to yourself and control your mind and tell your mind, no, I will not fear, I got this. Why? Because you're getting confidence. And when you have confidence, you feel like you're taking over the world, right? I don't know about you guys, but one thing that gets me tons of confidence is when I get ready and I look pretty, and I'm like, I got this. Yes, I got this. So do something that makes you feel confident, okay? If that's cutting your hair, cut your hair. If that's putting some lipstick on, put some lipstick on. You know, if that's doing your hair, do your hair. But make sure you have confidence. Confidence when you're standing in front of people, and you have to teach your mind. Teach your mind. You have control of it. And that's tip number 2. Tip number 3, focus on the topic you're gonna talk about. If you're speaking in front of a crowd, make sure you study, you organize your topics, you organize your thoughts, and know what you're gonna talk about. Okay, don't go all over the place. Don't be disorganized. You have to organize your thoughts. You have to organize the topic you're gonna be talking about. So make sure you concentrate on that specific topic. Okay, because why? That means you are gonna focus on that one topic, which is, what am I focusing on right now? Giving you tips on how to overcome that fear of public speaking, correct? So focus on that. What do I have to focus on? Making sure that I let you guys know what's something that I do to overcome that, okay? Tip number 4, guys, honestly, tip number 4, this is something I do, like, literally, listen, I try my best not to make eye contact. So I look at people's foreheads, like, and if I don't look at people's foreheads, I just go a little bit up, like by that line, like right here. It works for me, I promise you. Like if I make contact with you and I'm talking, this is gonna be me. So I want to tell you guys about 4 tips that I want to teach you. I promise you, I will like stop in the middle of a whole conversation. Why? Because remember, I'm overcoming this fear. So if I look at you and you look at me, it's kind of like, no. So that works for me. Try it and let me know in the comments if that, if that works for you. Try it. Please try it and let me know. Be yourself. Hey, listen, be yourself. People will accept you for who you are, and people will understand. All of us have some type of fear. So just be yourself. Be yourself and keep it simple. I have this amazing thing that I tell you and it works for me. I keep it simple and straight to the point, and that's literally what it is. Keep it simple. Be yourself. Understand that you are actually growing, in that area. So be yourself, and if you have to speak slower, then speak slower. Okay, you don't want to be talking fast and then you just like all over the place, like, oh my god. I used to have that problem. I would talk so fast that I would go out of topic, like, what am I doing? So be yourself. Go slowly if you have to. You're probably just like me, like, I don't like to speak in public, but we're doing it. So this is what I'm trying to tell you. All you have to do is just do it. So I recommend that you do it today. Do it today. Do it today. Because you know what? 5 years from now, you're gonna say, wow, thank God I did that. Right? I love stories. I love when you guys are winning. Like, I want to see you win. Okay? And don't forget, push yourself to another level because no one else will. I hope, guys, that these tips help you in overcoming public speaking. If you have any other tips that you want to share with me, comment below and let's help each other. Let's stay connected and let's grow. So with that being said, thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't. And if you want to hear any other topics from me, comment below and we'll make them happen. Okay? Thank you so much, guys.